Beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I generally talk all about business, how to start a business, run a business, grow a business, and all of the things in between. I do not leave anything out. I'm completely honest and transparent with you. I basically tell you about all the hiccups and hurdles that I had to go through and try to make sure that you don't go through the same thing. Of course, my baby is my candle business, and that's how I started this channel, talking about that business. But now we're moving on and into some more business ideas, and I'm giving you advice and showing you different tools for a broad range of businesses. So if you are interested in that sort of thing, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel, comment, like the video, share the video, all of that good stuff, so that I can keep going and showing you all of this good money making stuff, right? So today we're going to talk about a couple of these AI tools that are out there. I made a video about ChatGPT and how you can use it to write stories, books, whatever it is that you want to do with it. That is what the tool is for. The tool is completely new, so everyone who goes to ChatGPT and types things in, you're basically teaching it what to write about and giving it the information that it needs to be an effective AI tool. However, it is a game changer. Now, the person who commented on the video said, well, thank you for showing people how to not be creative and to commit fraud. Listen. It is not fraud. ChatGPT is completely legal. And if you are using an AI tool to write a book or whatever it is that you're doing, it's not illegal. It's there for a reason and you can use it. Actually, you're not committing any sort of copyright infringement or anything like that, because basically, in order for it to be copyrighted, or for it to be considered copyright infringement, the original work must be created by a human being. In this case, when you're using AI like ChatGPT to write some sort of book for you or paper or whatever it is, the original work is not created by a human being. It is actually created by a computer, so it is not plagiarism, nor are you stealing anyone's work, nor is it illegal. Now, I do know that there are still some things that need to be worked out with ChatGPT, and the laws may change, but as for now, as I said, it's completely new, and it is okay for you to use ChatGPT to write your book or your paper. So, moving on. Also, wait, before I move on, when you speak about creativity, if someone wants to be creative and they have that in them, they can move forward with doing that. But if someone is just simply trying to find out how to make an additional stream of income by, let's say, using ChatGPT to write books on instructions, how to build a bookshelf, you can completely do that in ChatGPT, create that book, and then place it on Amazon and sell it. I mean, I would recommend, if you're using ChatGPT to write any sort of book or paper or anything for you, I would definitely read over it. If you want to give it personality, give it personality. And if you feel like it's good enough, then it's good enough. So that's what I'm going to say there. Now, there are a few more AI tools that I found out about that can definitely help you to build another stream of income. So let's get into that. So this one is called Mixo. If you ever wanted to start a business, create a product, launch something, this tool is basically here to help you to validate your ideas. So let's get started and type something in. So it says, what's your startup idea? Describe your startup idea in a sentence. So what do we want to do? Let's say we want to create children's books. I don't know. Let's just do that. Create children's books. Let's see what it does. So it's generating the startup name, it's designing your logo, it's collecting site images, and it's mind-blowing what this thing can do, because it also gives you testimonials. So it's super crazy, but just wait to see what it looks like when it comes up. It's something else. And I know that this tool is only going to be enhanced and get better as the years go on. So get into it now. So it says the name of your business is going to be Kid Book. Quite generic, but it's cool. You could change it or work with it. So then it says spark your child's imagination, create a unique and special story for your child with Kid Book's easy to use platform. So basically what this particular business is saying, with Kid Books, you can create personalized stories for your child. I would have never thought of that. Then here's a testimonial from Alex. I don't know where they found Alex Pickleton, but he's saying, my child was so excited to read a story with their name in it. So, I mean, this is crazy. Look, personalized stories. Kids Books platform allows you to personalize your child's story with their name, age, and even their favorite things. Each book is truly unique and special. Easy to use platform. Our platform was designed with parents and children in mind. Creating and publishing a book is simple and can be done in just a few clicks. Like, come on. And here's another testimonial from David Vella, who's saying that the process was so easy and the end result was amazing. And then here it's allowing you to have something to collect emails. So basically, you can take this and run with it, right? What I would do is then take this information and I would start a Shopify store, and I would name it Kid Book, and I would use the idea that they've given you here to create your business around that. That is where you would put in your creative. This just generated the idea and the name and the logo for you, which is a lot of work when you're trying to do it on your own. The next thing you can do is you could try this AI tool, which is called, I don't know if they want to pronounce it Tome, I don't know what it is. But here we go. So then you come into Tome, I don't know how they want to pronounce it, but it's Tome. So then you want to create some sort of story. So you want to create a story about a kid who started their own soccer team. Okay, you press enter and it says creating story. So then it's generating everything for your story right here. So in the first part, we went to Mixo, who gave us an idea to create Kid Book, which is the title of the business, and then it went down and it gave you the testimonials and some ideas of how the business should look. Now look at this one. This one is actually writing a story for you. Okay, so the story was created. We're gonna go back to the top. This is the kid who started their own soccer team. I said soccer, so here we go. It gives you an outline, achieving the dream, the power of passion. You can read all through that. Then it starts with Billy had been dreaming of starting his own soccer team for years. Look, it even gives you the animation. Goes down, tells the full story. Like, this is crazy. So this just gave you a full story. Now I know that it's only 8 pages, but when it comes to kids books, you want to make them, you know, as readable as possible and as fun as possible so that they'll be interested. And then you could take this story, and instead of it being Billy, you could personalize it to whatever child's name when the parent enters it into your Kid Book site to personalize a book. Now, if you don't particularly like the artwork that Tome has given you, then you could go to something called CF Spark. So this is yet another AI tool. CF Spark gives you the artwork. They can also write things for you. They can give you patterns. They could give you sketches, images, all of that. So if you go here and you click create art, then it says write what you would like to see. So let's say children playing soccer, right? I don't want to sign up. Okay, give me a sec because they're making me sign up. Okay, so we want to see images of children playing soccer. Here we go. So it's queuing, it's getting up some images for you, and we'll see what they come up with. Now, these are real life images, so if you want your book to be a bit more animated, then let's go back to, let's see what they can do in terms of a sketch. Children playing soccer. Let's see what that does. You'll completely have to play around with it because I've not done a lot with this one. But I know some people who actually found this and started a t-shirt business with it and got all of their artwork off of here. It wasn't me because my t-shirt is more so sayings rather than pictures, but this person did it and is killing it with the Shopify print on demand site. Remember when I told you about Shopify print on demand before, it's $0 to start it outside of what you would pay for your Shopify site, unless you get some sort of free trial and you're able to get your Shopify site for free for 1 to 3 months. Then you're really $0 into it and you're just making money hand over fist. So this is taking a little while to give us the sketches. Let's give it some time. This needs to hurry up because I'm about to go watch Creed. I heard it was so good. Have you seen it yet? Let me know in the comments. Like, I cannot wait to see it. It's gonna be so good. I've seen all the other ones and I love Michael B. Jordan as an actor. And I can't remember the other actor's name, but he's really great too. He's been in a lot of movies. So anyway, while this is still doing its thing, because I do want to show you what the sketches look like, but let's just go through a little rundown of what we did. We use a Mixo, not Mixo, it's called Mixo, M-I-X-O. We use that to create basically your business idea. They gave you the logo, they gave you the business name, and they gave you the idea for the business along with some fake testimonials. And then after we used Mixo, we went to Tome or Tome, T-O-M-E, to get a story for your first kid book. Okay, so then it created this full story with an outline, but we're coming in here to CF Spark to see if we can get some different sketches or animations for the book's artwork, because we weren't very pleased with what was there, although you could use it if you want to, but we want to create something different or better. So we're trying to see what CF Spark is going to do. Now, after you've done all of that, like I said, you can literally go to Shopify. You could create your store. You could call it Kid Book. Maybe create your own logo, because I really didn't care for the one that Mixo did for us. And then just basically start building out your site so people can come on and personalize kid books using their kids' names, age, cities, states, hair color, whatever the kid is going through at the moment. Just personalize books for kids. And then after you do that, you can find basically a publisher to publish the books for you. And whenever a customer goes in to order the book, it can be published and shipped out to that person, basically a physical book, without you really even touching it. And I'm not talking about an ebook, I'm talking about a physical book. And there's so many companies out there that will allow you to self-publish your book. Or if you don't want to create a Shopify site and use the logo and all of that stuff, you could really just do it on Amazon. You could do it as a Kindle, and then Amazon has a program where they will publish the book for you as well. Of course, they get some sort of fee, but you can look into that as you go. Okay, I'm pretty much doing this live, so if we don't get the artwork, that's okay. You get the drift. You can use all these AI tools to start another stream of income for yourself. Don't knock it until you try it. Don't feel bad about it. If you feel like you're not that creative and you want to get a little bit of help, it's not wrong to use these tools. They were created for a reason, and I think you should absolutely utilize them if you want to. Okay, look up the laws and the legalities if you feel like, oh my gosh, I'm nervous about this, and just see what they're saying about it right now. But a lot of this stuff is newly adopted, so they really don't have everything down right now. But I would say utilize it, look into it, become an expert on it. This is where the world is going, and we're not going to be able to stop it. So unless you want to be left behind and you want to continue to work harder and not smarter, then you'll be like, sis, I'm not rocking with this AI stuff, and you're going to keep doing it the old school way. But if I were you, I'm not you, but if I were you, I would definitely look into a lot of these AI programs because they have been working. So CF Spark, disappointing because it didn't give us our sketch quick enough. As I told you, I'm going to the movies, so you go ahead and go and Google CF Spark or go to creativefabrica.com and see if you can get the sketches to work for you. But I gotta head out. So I thank you so much, beautiful people, for watching this channel, for watching this video. And I want you to go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, because I'm going to be coming back to you with so many more things that you can do to create additional streams of income for yourself and your family. As you know, this economy is not in a good place, and so you want to make sure that you are secure and you don't have all your eggs in one basket. If you have one 9-to-5 job and you're laid off from that job, as thousands of people have been laid off just recently, then guess what? Those eggs are going to crack and you're not going to have anything left. And that's not going to be good for you and your family. Look, as I'm closing out the video, now CF Spark wants to go ahead and work. Okay, look. So they gave us a few sketches of kids playing soccer. I would like to see that in color, but you know, you get it. There are a few different ways that you can work around this, a few different things that you can do. I would say just play around with it if the kid book thing is what you're going for. This is just merely an example, so you got to see what it looked like as a sketch rather than a real looking picture. So anyway, thank you so much, beautiful people, for watching my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, loves. I'm going to see Creed with my hubby. Time for me to go. See y'all later.